Hi, my name is Rachel Bland. I'm a Director of Product Management for Oracle Analytics. I'm here to talk to you about the future of data preparation, and in particular, our Oracle Analytics platform, which is built on the premise of giving people freedom within a framework. And that rests on three core pillars: providing people with self-service analytics, but enriching that experience with machine learning, with artificial intelligence, to help you find more insight in your data, to help you find it faster. And building all of that for you within a governed framework so that you can share in a safe environment. Now, let's think about how data prep fits in a data-driven organization. Because data prep is all about the reality of the data you have and the journey of making it into the data that you need it to be, whether that's enriching it to broaden the context through geographies or genders or latitude and longitude, whether that is cleaning it because it's got anomalies all through it, whether that is categorizing it to use it with data science. Data prep is the gateway to a much richer analytics experience. Let's have a look at some of what's coming next in our smart data preparation. When you look at the screen here, you can see that we have recommendations that have appeared. These recommendations help us expand the context of the data set, adding latitude and longitude, extracting portions of our data like domain from email addresses, identifying and obfuscating credit card numbers. And these are just a few of the recommendations we can provide with semantic profiling. In the future, we're really excited to expand our capabilities of smart data preparation to allow you to build your own semantic profiling rules. That way, if you track specific ID numbers, specific ranges, specific types of strings that you want to be alerted to or have handled in standardized, predictable ways, you'll be able to build those rules into our system. We'll be able to detect that data for you and help you and your users to automatically prep it and prepare it for use in analytics and data science. To learn more about what we're planning for the Oracle Analytics Roadmap, please visit us at oracle.com/analytics. Thank you.